Rayman Can. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap a gift the simple way. Let's get started.
So the products needed to do this job are scissors, tape, wrapping paper, bow, and gift tag. Next, you want to roll out enough paper to cover the size box that you have. The way I do it is I want one end of the paper to come to the end of the box, and then I want the other end of the wrapping paper to come almost to the other end of the box. From there, you can mark where you're going to cut the excess paper at. From there, I go ahead and slide the box down to the edge since it's already a nice clean cut. And I want the sides to be just a little bit less than the height of the box. And then we're going to tape our paper in place on one side. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess paper off where we made our mark earlier. Now on the other side of the box, we have excess paper as well. And you want your sides to be just a little bit less than the height of the box. In our case, our marking's right around here. So we're going to go ahead and cut that excess paper off as well. From there, go ahead and fold the other end of the wrapping paper over and then tape it. I like to rub my fingers along the sides of the corners to give it that extra crisp crease. Now you're going to fold down on the sides, crease the paper, and then fold in. Notice every time I come across a fold, I love to press down on it and rub across to get that nice crease. From there, fold the bottom piece up and then tape it. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. Fold down on the sides, crease the paper, fold in, and then fold up. Apply some tape, and now move on to the final step, which is add a gift tag and a bow. But before we do that, let's take a look at our beautiful gift that we wrapped. The lines all around each corner are so crisp. Gift tag and bow. And there you have it. Take care. I'll see you all in our next video, and thanks for watching.